This right here is a magazine that I got for my birthday. On June the 6th, 2026, I was given this book by one of my friends, and without them, this video would have been impossible. A few weeks ago, I visited Bakewell and Matlock, and that was the first time that I've been to the genuine Peak District in the stereotypical Derbyshire. In this video today, I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes, and in today's video, we're going to be doing some spec work. So spec work is essentially work you do without actually having a client. It's, in a sense, pretending that you have a client. And it's really good. It's really good for building your portfolio and essentially just practicing in the sense that you will hope that maybe someone will hire you. And today I'm going to pretend that the person that made this magazine has hired me to rebuild it, essentially make the magazine. I got the idea from another YouTuber I've talked about him many times before, Cromford. and Cromford he did this with many companies such as Patagonia and North Face, and I think he did it with Nokia too. And today what I'll be imitating and recreating is the front page, the page that's Reason to Love Spring, the Belper page, which is the main focus of the video, the wildlife page, Now that I have the idea in mind, what was now next to do was to find a location, prepare the right gear, check for the right weather, and bring appropriate clothing. And the location that I was planning for today, since it was mentioned in the book a few times, was a historical town of Belper. Belper is perched along the River Derwent and framed by rolling hills. Belper is a town that feels confident in its chapter, shaped by remarkable industrial heritage and recognized upon the Derwent Valley Mills Road heritage site. After checking the weather and making sure everything was suitable, the next morning I got on the bus, packed my bags, and I was on the way to Belper. Okay, so change of plans. I didn't go to Belper, but I am in a town called if I can remember, Cromford. There we go. So Cromford is what people say it is the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution, and I know it seems a bit ironical that as a nature producer, nature channel, whatever you want to call it, I'm in the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution, but nonetheless, this place is a really nice place. And it was mentioned in the magazine a few times. So we're just gonna have to go off of that. I'm not quite sure what the plan is. I think it's just to walk about and see what I can capture, see what I can record. See what I can take pictures of too, that's the main thing. On the way here I saw loads of mountains and hills, and they were very appealing to the eye. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I think I've just found a way to get up. Wow. Would you look at that view? One second, let me get a picture of this. I did change my lens from my normal standard 35mm to the 700. But that was for one shot, and I think I'm gonna have to change it again. Quick, come on. Done. It generally feels like reloading a gun. But while I was in Bakewell and Matlock the other week, I came across a lot of beautiful nature. Maybe like that. This shot bet was worth it. Yeah. How about 28? Okay, that's good enough. So it's like I was saying, back when I was at the Bakewell and Matlock, I came across a lot of beautiful nature, and I wasn't in Bakewell for a long time, since I was only there for about 3 minutes and then quickly rushed to get back to Derby. But I'm going to try and spend more time here inside the actual village. It's a nice place, Cromford is. Welsh town. I can't pronounce it for the life of me, but people in Wales, they can pronounce it, I'm guessing. I've got a friend, he moved to Wales, his name was Ethan. I haven't seen him for a long time. I wonder how he's doing now. I just find it crazy how some people that this is their everyday view. So I've managed to escape the busy roads, and I'm now more into the countryside, and well, this place is crazy, I'm telling you. Like, have you seen anyone that casually has sheep in their backyard? And don't get me wrong, the views here are absolutely beautiful. Absolute stunning views. It's crazy how someone like this is their backyard. And what also makes me extremely impressed is that with just £3 from a busy city, I can just come here. £3, that's all it takes. £3 or £3 in an hour by bus. But still, oh, I've just stepped in dung.
gosh. Honestly, the view here is absolutely stunning. I'd also like to apologise. I don't even know you guys can see me actually. I think you can see me better now. Hi. I just want to apologise for 3 weeks of no content, 3 weeks of pure silence. I've been extremely busy the past few weeks with a number of stuff. Them being inside in my personal life, and I wouldn't like to get into it. But I think it's also a good time to just say why nature. Like, it just means a lot to me. You see, whenever I'm feeling stressed, overwhelmed, I just get outside and go into nature. I think it's the best way for you. It's the best way to clear your mind. Like right now, I'm literally looking at a valley that maybe 3 months ago I wouldn't even have dreamed of coming here. And it's just Cromford, Peak District. It's just a beautiful place. Even though I am ethnically Kurdish, I was born in Kurdistan. Derbyshire still has a huge part of my heart. It means this county means so much to me. I was raised here, though, and for the first couple of years of my life, I didn't actually realise that how Derbyshire was so diverse, and not in the sense of people. Well, it is diverse in the sense of people, but Derbyshire, it's just got so much of these types of nature: mountains, forests, hills, swamps even. I've seen a swamp once, a huge one, not a little tiny bog. Fields, plains, farms. It's got a huge range of people. Next week, or the week after, I'm not sure, but the 21st, there'll be no video. Reason for that being is that I joined the cadets at my school, and we're going to a summer camp, it goes over 4 days, and from there it'll be in Northamptonshire. I can't really bring my camera with me, so I can't really record. I mean, I can bring it with me, it's just that I don't really want to. There's a risk of something happening to the camera, and I'm not taking a risk, trust me. But another thing is, we'll be canoeing, hiking, airsoft, paintball, all sorts. Another thing is, my friend that I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the one who got me the book, I just want to say thank you so much for making this happen. You genuinely do mean a lot to me, and you know who you are. You know who I'm talking to. You know I'm talking to you especially, and trust me, you mean a lot to me. I just like to appreciate you so much. I really hope your life is doing okay, and I really hope that everything is okay for you. I hope life clears up and it becomes enjoyable for you again. And I think now I should probably end off the video. Well, I mean, this part of the video, obviously I'm gonna have to get on the bus back, go home, do post-production, and show you my version of the magazine, which my friend got me.
Okay, so I'm also apologise. I know I apologise a lot, but it's force of habit. I am sorry that time management is not my best of skills, and I didn't have time to put it all together and show you the post-production final product. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. I just hope you enjoyed it. I hope I did well. Like, while recording this, and the past 3 days, yesterday when I was recording, and the day before while I was just getting the shots, I was stressing so much. I didn't think that I did it well. I was thinking that I did a bad job, but I hope I didn't, and I hope this is okay.